Welcome to this interactive tutorial of SciSpace BioMed Agent, an AI agent built specifically for biomedical research. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started, how the agent works, and how you can use it to run real biomedical workflows end-to-end. SciSpace BioMed Agent is not just another AI assistant. It's a purpose-built biomedical AI agent, a powerful upgrade designed to handle complex biomedical workflows. With access to over 100+ biomedical software packages, 150+ specialized biological tools, and 20+ biomedical databases, it can automate clinical workflows, interpret genetic variants, conduct literature reviews, assist with experimental design, and support therapeutic discovery, all within a single platform. When you run a query, the agent knows which tools to use, which databases to refer to, and what analysis to perform, all in the right sequence. Let's look at how to access the BioMed Agent. You can visit it directly at scispace.com/biomedical. Alternatively, go to scispace.com and select biomedical from the agent dropdown. You'll notice two options here. All refers to the SciSpace agent, a wide-spectrum research assistant that supports multiple disciplines. For biomedical-specific workflows, select biomedical. Once you're on the BioMed Agent page, you'll see the main prompt box. This is where you describe your research task. Below the prompt box, you'll find preset prompts to help you get started quickly. You can use these as is or modify them based on your research needs. If you scroll further, you'll find ready-to-use biomedical templates. These templates include a well-structured prompt, a preview of how the BioMed Agent executes the workflow, and the expected output format. You can use these templates directly and just replace variables such as topic, gene names, datasets, or conditions according to your own project. Let's run a live example. We'll use the prompt. Analyze single-cell RNA sequencing of CRISPR, perturbed CD8 T cells, and label cell types. Once submitted, the BioMed Agent first generates a research plan similar to how a researcher would outline the research plan. It then lists each required step and begins executing them sequentially. You can monitor every step in real time through live activity, inspect intermediate results, and understand exactly how the workflow is carried out. You can also interact with the agent while it's still running. If you want to modify the analysis, adjust parameters, or change how the workflow is executed, you can guide the agent at any point. Once the analysis is complete, the agent provides the final outputs. You can download the results or ask follow-up questions to explore the data further. Bonus feature. This is one of the most exciting updates of SciSpace so far. You can now create biomedical or scientific diagrams and illustrations using simple prompts. Describe the biological process you want to visualize, and the agent generates a publication-ready illustration that you can refine or regenerate as needed. This is how SciSpace BioMed Agent supports real biomedical research. By automating complex workflows from drug discovery and protein analysis to clinical trials and DNA sequencing, it saves time, reduces fragmentation, and helps researchers focus on interpretation rather than tool hopping. Try SciSpace BioMed Agent today. Link in the description.